Okay, Imran, how are you?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, today we are learning about the mirrors.
Okay.
When, where, and how we use the mirrors. We have three mirrors, two door mirrors and
Okay.
interior mirrors.
Okay.
Do you think feel any difference between these mirrors, door mirrors and center mirrors?
No.
No. Okay, actually if you see center mirror and look backside any car,
Okay.
and the same car look in this mirror, we feel the difference. Center mirror will show you the car is bit close,
Okay.
and the side mirror shows you car is a bit far away. The reason is that the door mirrors is called convex mirrors. The things looks further away than they are really. वो इतनी दूर नहीं होती लेकिन हमें लगती दूर है.
Like that.
Then what should we do when you're driving? We don't trust on the door mirrors. We always trust on the center mirror because he will tell you the exact distance,
Alright.
how far is the car behind you.
Okay.
So, and then why we need to look at the mirrors? Because when you're driving, we have our eyes and we can see anything in front. We don't have eyes our back of our head. So actually these mirrors are working eyes like back of our head. So same time we can see in front and we can see back as well.
Back.
So it means when you are driving, we need to know all around the car what is happening.
Okay.
So next thing is how we look at the mirror. Of course, we look in mirror with the eyes.
Yeah.
But as I told you before, door mirrors give you wrong information
Okay.
because they're showing you things too far, but actually they are not too far. Then question is why we're using the door mirrors if they're giving the wrong information. Because door mirrors give the wide range of vision. We can see more area,
Okay.
but we don't make decision to looking the door mirrors. We look the first center mirror and then we decide what we need to do. Can we overtake? Can we change the lane or not? How far is the car behind you? Then we look at the door mirrors, more area, we can see that.
Okay.
So how we look at the mirror? Whenever you need to look at the mirror, always first look center mirror,
Center mirror. Yeah.
then side mirror.
Okay.
We don't want to look, for example, we're going right and center. This is the wrong
Okay.
because it will be sometimes dangerous.
Alright.
Okay, next thing, when we need to look at the mirrors. This is a very important. Right, so when we're moving off,
Okay.
we need to look all around that. It's called 6 safety point. 2 blind spot, left, right shoulder. We already discussed when we did the moving off and stopping topic. And then first left shoulder, left mirror,
Left.
door mirror, front, right, and right shoulder.
Sure.
So left, right shoulder is 6 safety point. That's a moving off. Whenever I say pull and park car left hand side, first we need to look center mirror, then left mirror, and then followed by the left signal, and we can stop the car. If we're turning left, center left mirror, left signal. If we're turning right, center right mirror, right signal. We don't look right and center. Keep remember, center and right always first center.
Center.
If you are overtaking someone, center right mirror, then we give right signal. And when you're coming back left lane, center left mirror and left signal again. Okay. Now, when you're driving, you think nothing to do that. It's nice sunny weather, 30 miles speed we're going. Every 3 to 5 seconds we need to look center mirror. And whenever you're turning some road or anywhere, after making car straight to the other road, always first thing we need to look all 3 mirrors and then proceed. So I will make simple. Before you making any decision in your driving, always mirror first. Yeah.
Okay.
And now next thing is coming is emergency brake.
Okay.
So we keep in here this video until there. So next video I will tell you about the emergency brake
Emergency brake.
and the function of the mirrors as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.